Good day. Let's get right to it. We said yesterday what we're doing today. Let's get to it. Today's gonna be again a bit of a shorter one, probably around 20 minutes today. What do we say we're doing? Next up, add activity buttons to companies and contact, implement the ticket, and okay, let's add activity buttons. The thing is, there's a few different things. Well, let's do the buttons first. Because I also have to link it that when an email or when a call is created, it adds the activity and links it. But that's going to be another stage. And if it's deleted, it deletes the activity as well. Yes. Okay, automations. The question is, can I don't think I can, log call. I don't think I can copy this button to the other place. And this is where I'm gonna change the setup. I'm not about to make the same buttons for both contact and companies. When I can literally just, because you never contact a company directly. You contact even like the receptionist. Like, you can add a contact called reception and then log when we call the reception as a person, which is better. So we're gonna do that. Just add the stuff here. So let's not save this. Okay, add a call. Date and time, ask the user, contacts. When you click add a call, it'll automatically add contacts. It's gonna add the contact that you clicked. Okay. There's a thing here of it might be unintuitive because if you want to log a call with multiple people, you might go to try to select both and then log a call, but it'll actually just log two separate calls for two separate people. And that's the way it works. That's how buttons work. Okay. What other fields are there? Activity. I'm not gonna add the activity here. I'm gonna add it in the other place. So at any time that a call is created, it's logged to make an activity. Okay. Call outcome, ask user, company I have, contact I have. Date and time I have, deals. This is where we're gonna get into formulas. Ask a formula. I want their deals, but only if they're open. So I'm gonna open up ChatGPT. Okay. Let's see. Let me get the how to create formulas. Can I just go this is documentation for Fibery formulas. Please make a formula that returns the what do I use here for deals? Deals first, close date. Close date. I can probably do it like this. Close date. Okay, got it myself. Where close date is bigger or smaller than today? Close date is smaller than today. I think today, let's try it. Use formula. Save button. Let me real quick just make a view. Table for deals. Filter where no, there's no. Okay, let's try this out. Okay. Let's give Brian a deal. Add a deal. This is an open deal. Okay. Why is this open, you say? Because the close date is next week. Okay. We're gonna call him. Let's see. No deals created. It added the company, Brian's company. Good. Didn't do anything yet. I have to put in the direction, but the deals weren't created. Why? Let's add another deal. Did I put in the wrong operator? This deal is closed it. Where'd they go? April 5th. Yeah, that's in the future. This is in the past. Okay. Let's add a call. That's today. Run. Still no deals. Why? Do the deals happen? Does something happen to the deals here? No. for close date. Like if I just go like this, not deals, use formula, save button, it should just put all of his deals into the call. That's because it's being sorted by thing. Yeah, okay, it did work. I'm just being stupid. I'm just being stupid. Okay, let's put it back. Deals dot filter where close date is before today. Let's try again. Let's try again. Brian has deals. He has an open deal and a closed deal. If he has a call today or tomorrow, so that it jumps to the top. Or let's change it now. Huzzah. Jump to the top. It should have then, it's a closed date. Okay, so I have to change the operator. What have they done? Let's try again. Right, closed is earlier. Yeah. And call. Open deal. Perfect. So then it automatically logs the open deals that are related to Brian. Sick. Let's give it a call, a name. What do we call this? Let's give Brian a name. The call a name. So we log a call from, and then the user. Okay. Automations. I want the name to be a formula, call it. But is it? Oh, no, sorry. Log a call. I think this also depends if it's inbound or outbound. Call direction, inbound. For some reason it's March 8th. Logged call by with okay. So it doesn't even say who it's from and who it's to. It's a call with. But this is then okay. This is a formula. It's not done by here. So the name can be deleted because the where this is placed is here. Let's generate name using formula, and this is gonna be. They're all gonna be logged, so I'm just gonna call. So it's gonna be call plus. Let's put these next to each other. Bam. Call plus call outcome There's a question of, do I want it to write down who logged it, or do I want it to write down who called, like who was being called? Because this is only who logged it, logged call by, but I can't specify here who's being called. I guess you just tell people to log your own calls. Call outcome plus space plus created by. Right, because this isn't part of the name. Honestly, the name is just, yeah, logged call. Okay. Logged call by. Tick. Easy. Can't add text. Call outcome dot name. Dot. Okay. Cool. What happens if there's no outcome? Let's see. Log call. No outcome. Just logged meeting. There's an outcome. If there's no outcome, then there's also no dash. You can delete this button. I don't want to delete. Okay. But we have to change this a little bit. Edit name formula. I think they changed it. Is empty, checks if. if empty here. Whatever. It's a mandatory field. Whatever. You have to fill it in. Let's make it a required field. They don't have it required, but we'll make it required. Okay, sick. So now we see this logged call by Ron. We can add a description. We want to add a description. Then same thing here. So where's the description? No, you're kidding. There's no rich text in button. Hold up. Hold the phone. Hold up. Okay, I'm done. This is a big limitation. Alright, I'm gonna go submit this as a feature request or a bug report. I think a feature request probably. The other option was here, like log a call, which by the way would have been everywhere no matter where you do it. So I guess this could have been. This might be still the better option. There's no ways to make formulas here. That's the big problem. Like. Why is there a thing that's created by me? So this would have been a nice option to have, but forms currently don't have as much functionality in terms of, like we saw with, I can say, okay, pre-fill make the item, if the date is before this, make the item as the deals if they're still open. I would love to be able to filter this here and have a pre-propagate, but this isn't an option yet. Okay, I'm pausing with this for a bit. I think I'm gonna stop with making HubSpot inside of Fibery. I'm gonna stop with making HubSpot inside of Fibery, and I'm gonna start another project inside of Fibery, because I feel like this isn't working as well as I would like it to. There are still some missing features that are needed for this to work properly, and I feel like the workarounds aren't I'm not going to be happy with them. Like, I want to, after making this, I wanted to give it out and people can use it and stuff, but I wouldn't be happy with giving this out at this stage, unfortunately. So I'm going to go into different things. I have two options I'm thinking of now, either work management, like task management in a team. So like how you can connect your processes and your tasks. So what I'm thinking is like a pipeline, and every pipeline stage has specific tasks. And then when it goes into the pipeline, that gives you tasks that are related to that. And this can be done seen like in making blog posts. Like there's specific processes for when you're making things, that stays the same. And I currently haven't found a tool like you can put things through, but then it automatically puts the tasks related to this step. And you check them off, and then when they're all checked, you put the next one, and then it gives you the new tasks. I think that could be really cool. I'm pretty sure that's more than doable. That's one option. Another option is like a student, something for students. And the last option I'm thinking of is, and this is a big one, like replacing a marketing tool. So having a list of contacts and then being able to mass send emails. And this is possible. Like you can connect to SMTP servers in Fibery. And there's the API. So that's something I've been looking into as well. That might be the next tool. But I'm still figuring it out. If you have any specific tool you want to see me make and work on, let me know. Comments below. If anybody's watching it until 27 minutes in. And I'll get back to HubSpot in the future when the features are right and when it's possible to make the things I want to create in here. It's unfortunate. It is what it is. All right. See you guys tomorrow.